Hey there. If you're struggling with receding gums, I've got 5 simple home remedies that might help you out. These tips are easy to follow and use everyday ingredients you might already have at home. First up, salt water mouth rinse. Just mix a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water and swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds. This helps reduce inflammation and kills bacteria. Do this 2 to 3 times a day for the best results. Next, try adding a few drops of tea tree oil to your toothpaste when brushing. Tea tree oil is known for its antimicrobial properties, which can help combat the bacteria causing your gums to recede. Just be careful not to swallow it. Another great remedy is drinking green tea. Aim for 2 to 3 cups a day. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and promote healthy gums. Plus, it's delicious and good for overall health. Then, there's oil pulling. This ancient practice involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. It might sound a bit odd, but it can help remove toxins and improve gum health. Try doing this twice a day. Finally, rinse your mouth with aloe vera juice after brushing. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and healing properties that can soothe and repair your gums. Just swish it around for a few minutes and spit it out. Remember, these remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your dentist if you have any concerns about your oral health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life. Thanks for watching.